just gone ahead and tightened up the clutch bolt. I tried starting it up, and then noticed that the Odyssey just like launched forward. I was like, oh my gosh, that's not good. So for some odd reason, the belt was always biting the clutch. I don't know why. So what I did was I disassembled the clutch, took it off, just made sure the brass bearing was okay, or the brass bushing was okay, slid it back on, put the belt back on, just tightened it down, and now it just free spins. So I don't know what the problem was there, but we're gonna go ahead and rip it around anyways. Well, not anyways, because there's no problem with it, but we're just gonna go ahead and give her a quick little rip. Hopefully that shows you guys good right there. I forgot the straight pipe, so it might not be as fast as it could be or as loud as it could be. It's very fun with a straight pipe. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna go and start it up and catch you guys in a second.
No problem.